Hey guys, this is Ryan Smith. I'm just here to demo a new shader that I've been working on. And the design purpose of this was just to take something like a drywall and beat the crap out of it and paint different layers of destruction and even some map manipulation or color manipulation. So first thing, I'm just going to jump right in here, and I'm going to use the blue channel to add color in certain spots. For right now, I'll just color the entire thing. And next, I'm going to use the green layer to actually add in with Vertex Paint normal information, and at the same time create a ambient occlusion for the normals that just came in. So they're going to be cracks, and I'm going to paint those in really quick. Lower the strength a little bit. And you notice how normal map information gets painted in as well as ambient occlusion. So we can just kind of rough the map up a little bit here. And this isn't a very high detailed mesh. Obviously the more detailed it is, the better detail you're going to get in your Vertex paint. But it works pretty well for low resolution meshes. Put a couple cracks in here. Up top. Alright, now what we could do now that we have some of these cracks is come back in with the blue channel and take away some of the paint. Just chip off a little bit here. Alright, now that's that done, we could take the red channel and completely blow out the wall, and what it will do is it will follow the crack pattern. And what happens is it generates auto occlusion map as I'm taking away wall chunks. And the drywall is offset with the parallax map, so as you drag the camera across, you can see that it looks like it has some depth. And there's a completely new material underneath, and it's obviously studs with insulation. And everything like specular maps and normal maps all, if we light this, change accordingly. So I'm just going to keep taking away chunks of wall here. That looks good, not too much up there. So, I mean, all these shaders are really doing is just giving you some control over what you want to do with like a wall if it's too plain. And at this time I don't even have the alpha being used as anything. But for example, stuff I can do is I could plug it into the expression that controls the ambient occlusion behind the wall, so I can make the shadows greater in some areas. Or I can use it to adjust the actual fall off of the drywall. Right now it's being divided by point 0.1 around something like that, or 0.05, just to give it a really kind of like a softer edge. Or I don't know, I could use it to overlay a grunge map on here too. So I could go in and actually paint grunge as well as color. So I mean, just using 3 channels, the variation that you get when you do this, and it's extremely easy to undo. Now the wall looks like brand new again. Can't even tell. So you could even use this technique as a animation thing. In Kismet, you could just animate a map going up here that controls like the red, green, and blue channels, or just the red and green channels. And you can actually animate the wall being chunked apart, which is cool. Alright, well, that's it for now. Expect a couple more coming out in the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching, guys.